Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on System section. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section. Now you can scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After locating the best one for you, tap on it. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And when you're done, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, you can always go back to the same settings. But this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now you can tap on one of your photos right away, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of the available sources. Wherever you decided when you're done, tap on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!